Welcome back to the amazing picks, everyone. Today's video is going to be a showdown between the top 5 fuel injector cleaners of 2025. If you've been experiencing issues like rough idling, poor acceleration, or a drop in fuel efficiency, then you know how critical it is to maintain your fuel system. In this video, we're going to break down which product is the ultimate winner in the battle for best fuel injector cleaner, and I'll tell you exactly why the top contender wins. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which cleaner works best for your car. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and to grab your own fuel injector cleaner. 5. STP Super Concentrated Fuel Injector Cleaner. Perfect for routine maintenance, affordable and effective. Starting off at number 5 is the STP Super Concentrated Fuel Injector Cleaner. If you're looking for an affordable option that does the job for basic routine maintenance, this one has you covered. This is the product for people who don't want to overcomplicate things. It's straightforward and gets the job done for light carbon buildup. The key feature here is its cost effectiveness. If you've been keeping your car in good shape with regular maintenance and you just want to maintain performance and prevent buildup, STP is a great choice. It helps to clean your injectors and prevent carbon from accumulating, keeping your fuel system running smoothly. It works well for people who don't have major clogging issues, but want to ensure that their injectors stay clean, making it a great preventative cleaner. However, when it comes to more severe buildup, like heavy carbon deposits or rough performance, STP doesn't pack the punch you might need. It works best as a light preventative cleaner. If you need something to clear out deeper blockages or restore power to an engine that's been struggling, you might want to opt for a stronger solution. 4. Berryman B12 Chemtool Fuel Injector Cleaner. Strong performance for more stubborn clogs. At number 4, we have the Berryman B12 Chemtool Fuel Injector Cleaner. Now, if you've been dealing with sluggish acceleration, rough idling, or a noticeable drop in fuel efficiency, Berryman is a serious contender that's a little more intense than STP. What makes this product stand out is its superior cleaning power. It contains a potent solvent formula that goes after carbon deposits and varnish buildup, which can cause major performance issues. The Berryman B12 works by dissolving those hard-to-reach deposits that clog your injectors and fuel lines, allowing for smoother fuel flow. It's particularly effective for vehicles that have already started showing signs of performance degradation, like poor throttle response or power loss during acceleration. If your engine's performance has noticeably dropped, this cleaner can often make a huge difference by getting rid of the deposits that are blocking proper fuel injection. Another reason to love the Berryman is its wide range of applications. This product is safe for most gasoline and diesel engines, making it versatile for various types of vehicles. While it's stronger than STP, it still doesn't have the same deep cleaning capacity that premium products offer. So, it's ideal for engines with moderate clogging or performance loss, but may not be effective enough for seriously clogged injectors. 3. Lucas Oil 1003 Fuel Treatment. Comprehensive protection and long-term engine care. Taking the third spot in this battle is the Lucas Oil 1003 Fuel Treatment. If you're looking for a cleaner that goes beyond just removing deposits and offers long-term protection for your entire fuel system, Lucas Oil is a top contender. What sets Lucas Oil apart is that it's not just a fuel injector cleaner. It's a fuel treatment. The formula acts as a cleaner, lubricant, and corrosion inhibitor all in one, which helps protect your fuel system from rust, corrosion, and general wear and tear. This is especially beneficial for older cars, high-mileage vehicles, or engines that have already begun to show signs of wear. The cleaner works by dissolving carbon buildup in the injectors and intake valves, but it also prevents future accumulation by treating the fuel system components with anti-wear agents. This helps maintain engine performance, improve fuel efficiency, and even reduce engine knock. One of the standout features of this cleaner is how well it works for vehicles that have been through a lot. Whether it's a high-mileage vehicle that's been running rough or a car that's been neglected for a while, the Lucas Oil treatment is formulated to help restore the fuel system, improve overall engine performance, and prevent future damage. It's great for long-term engine health, but if you need a cleaner for serious clogging or heavy buildup, you might need something a little stronger. 2. Liqui Moly Jectron Gasoline Fuel Injection Cleaner. The advanced choice for high-performance engines. Coming in at number 2 is the Liqui Moly Jectron Gasoline Fuel Injection Cleaner. If you drive a modern, high-performance engine, or You just want the best in injector cleaning technology? Liqui Moly is a premium product that really shines. Liqui Moly is known for creating top-tier automotive products, and the Jectron cleaner is no exception. What makes this cleaner special is its advanced formulation that's specifically designed for modern high-pressure fuel systems found in newer vehicles. It's formulated to clean the injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, which means it targets multiple parts of your fuel system at once. Not only does it break down carbon deposits and dirt, but it also restores engine performance by improving fuel atomization, which is crucial for smoother and more efficient combustion. One of the most important benefits of Liqui Moly Jectron is its effectiveness in addressing common issues in newer, more complex fuel systems. Things like rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, and reduced power. It's a cleaner that will enhance your vehicle's throttle response, fuel economy, and even horsepower. However, the higher price point makes it a premium option. If you're driving a high-performance or newer vehicle and are looking for the most effective fuel system treatment, this is definitely one of the best options available. It's tailored for modern engines, so it may not be the best choice for older, carbureted vehicles. 1. Seafoam SF-16 Motor Treatment, the ultimate all-in-one cleaner. That does it all. And finally, claiming the top spot in our battle of the best is the Seafoam SF-16 Motor Treatment, the all-in-one solution that consistently outperforms all other fuel injector cleaners on the market. Why is Seafoam the best of the best? Simple. It's the most comprehensive treatment available. Seafoam does more than just clean your injectors. It cleans your entire fuel system, from the injectors and carburetors to intake valves, combustion chambers, and even spark plugs. It works by dissolving carbon deposits, gum, and varnish, all the substances that cause major performance issues. But it doesn't stop there. Seafoam also stabilizes fuel, which is a huge bonus for anyone who's storing their vehicle for long periods or anyone who just wants to ensure their engine runs smoothly year-round. What's truly impressive about Seafoam is how well it cleans the entire fuel system, not just the injectors. Whether your car is older, has high mileage, or simply needs a deep cleanse, Seafoam goes above and beyond to restore optimal engine performance. It improves fuel efficiency, smooths out rough idling, reduces engine knock, and enhances overall power, all without the need for expensive professional treatments. Plus, it's safe for both gasoline and diesel engines, making it one of the most versatile options available. The Seafoam SF-16 is the complete package for anyone who wants a high-quality, effective cleaner that can handle anything from routine maintenance to major engine restoration. When you're looking for the best all-around solution to restore performance and maintain engine health, Seafoam is truly second to none. And there you have it, the ultimate battle of the best fuel injector cleaners of 2025. If you're just looking for routine maintenance and a budget-friendly option, STP takes the crown for affordability. For tough clogs and performance issues, Berryman brings more strength to the table. If you're after long-term protection, Lucas Oil delivers on both cleaning and preserving your engine. But if you want advanced technology and peak performance, Liqui Moly is your best bet. And for the absolute top pick that does it all, Seafoam stands out as the ultimate all-in-one solution. Make sure to check out the links in the description for more details and to grab the best deal on these products. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments below. Which fuel injector cleaner do you swear by? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.